Tanner, if you would, walk us through what a free estimate is here at Clark's Flooring.
So you can either come in beforehand or after the fact, but we can schedule an appointment. I'll come out, meet with you, measure all of your flooring, come up with a material list of everything that we could possibly need to do that job, whether it's moving the furniture, getting a storage for said furniture, for everything in its entirety, and come up with a to-the-penny price of what it would take to do your job for the floors that you've selected.
Now at that point, once Tanner gives you your to-the-penny quote, we're gonna have a list of exact materials we need. Here at Clark's Flooring, we are not a stocked warehouse. We order materials specifically for your job. Once materials arrive, it will be passed off to our install teams. They are not hired contractors. They work full-time for us here at Clark's Flooring, and most of them have been with us 20+ years at this point. So they will be the ones to pick up the job from that point, deliver your materials, and do your demo and or install from there.